Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We have got a beautiful Prada Galleria to show you today, and it's in this lovely kind of structured Saffiano leather, and I think it just looks super sophisticated and classy, especially in that gorgeous black colour with the gold hardware. We've got double top handles, and then along the bottom we've got 4 base studs. We also have a removable and adjustable strap, so you can see we've got it on the shortest setting at the minute, but you can see on either side it just clips on to those double top handles, and then we also have attached to those handles a little cloche that has a little key ring poking out the bottom as well. So inside we've got one central zipped pocket, so I'll show you that just there, and it's got that lovely chunky Prada zip pull. And then we have 2 open sections, and inside the back section we've got one zipped pocket again, so that zip still works perfectly. And then on the opposite side we've got one flat pocket, and we've got that Prada fabric lining throughout the bag as well. So the condition of this one, it is in a really beautiful condition. We have called it very good all around. That exterior is in an almost perfect condition, but there's just a couple of signs for you to show you. So you can see on this side we've got a tiny little bit of stitching just fraying there, just poking out there, and then along the bottom we've got one small mark on that base as well. On the interior, again, it's a similar thing, very faint marks on that leather, so we've got a small little mark just there, so that is why I've called that interior very good. It looks beautiful. There's just very small signs that it has been used before. So on this hardware, again, got that gorgeous gold tone, and most of it still has that gorgeous gold tone as well. The most signs of wear that it will have is just hairline scratching, and there's a little bit of fading to that gold tone on this zip pull, but really kind of hardly noticeable. So it is in a very gorgeous condition. It comes with, we've got the nice big Prada paper bag, and then we also have a Prada envelope, and inside that we have the Prada authenticity card, the Prada product tag, and then we also had a little Prada care booklet as well. And then finally we have the Prada dust bag. So the exact measurements for this Galleria are going to be on our website. You'll find it on our website by going to the description below, and you'll find a little link in there. If you click that link, that is the link to shop this exact Prada on armcandybagco.com, and so you'll find a few more details on it. If you do click that link and it doesn't take you directly to this bag, it just takes you to our generic product page. I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. However, we do have a request list that you can get onto. So if this is the kind of bag that you were looking out for, and you've seen it on our YouTube, you've fallen in love with it, you get to our website and it's gone, don't worry, we can help you look out for another one. All you have to do is send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website. Let us know that you love this, we'll get you on that list. Then as soon as we have another one, you'll be one of the first to know. So that's the request list. Get yourself on there if you're looking out for a gorgeous Prada like this one. I'm going to show you the size on me. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4", and I'll start off showing you with that strap. So you can have it on your shoulder like that. Again, we've got that strap on the shortest setting at the minute, so you can make it a little bit longer if you prefer. I think it looks really gorgeous as a crossbody. It's just a lovely shape. Again, that structured Saffiano leather just gives it a very elegant looking shape. Or you can of course have it without that strap and just have it with those top handles, which still looks just as classy. You can pop it on your arm like that. So if you're looking for a classic looking Prada like this one, go to the link in the description below. While you're on our website, you'll find the option to sign up to our newsletter. Sign up to that newsletter to get your welcome discount code. Have a look at the How to Sell With Us page if you're interested in selling any of your gorgeous bags. We'd love to see what you've got for us, so have a read through that page. And don't forget to like this video while you're here, and if you're a bag lover like we are, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you very soon with some more gorgeous Armcandy.